Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to fix Google keep closing itself on Realme C67 device. Well, to fix the issue of Google continuously stopping on Realme phone, you can follow these steps. First thing first, open the settings menu on your device and then scroll down and find the app option and then tap on it. Next, tap on See All Apps or All Apps here, and then you can look for Google app in the list and tap on it. Okay, and then in the app settings, you will find options like Force Stop and Clear Chase, and then you can tap on Force Stop to stop the app completely. Okay, after that you can tap on Clear Chase to clear the app's chase data, and then you can restart your phone and try opening the Google app again. If the issue persists, you can try uninstalling update for the Google app or even reinstalling it from the Play Store. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to fix Google keep closing itself on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.